All right, so I've switched over to my personal channel, which is already verified, and we're going to go over the 3 methods, but first we're going to start with the easiest, which is the newest, and that's the camera method. So this allows you to just simply go live with a webcam. So if you're on the Creator Studio, click live streaming. If you're in the beta version, you'll have to hover over the other options and then click live stream, or just go back to the Creator Studio beta or classic version. Click camera. All right, so now this brings up a window where we can start streaming right now, or we can stream in the future. So say we want to do live office hours, type in the title. You can choose to have it public or unlisted. Unlisted would be great if you want this to be some sort of like private training or webinar. If you want, you can schedule it for later. So for some sort of upcoming date, which is great because then you can invite your audience. You can click more and you can choose more sort of settings. This is the description, so you might want to add a description to your live stream, the category, and then the tools that you're using. So this first option is your camera. So make sure you're using the camera that you want. I'm using an external app called CamTwist so that I can use my Canon C100 actually as a webcam. I'm also using the Zoom H6 for my microphone, which is the Heil PR40, which is my way of getting my XLR microphone into my computer. There are some advanced settings to like disallow the chat if you want an age restriction, or if you want to if you are promoting something in your live stream, which is not typically allowed on YouTube, you can check this on to allow that. And then you could also enable monetization, so people are going to see an ad. All right, so I'm going to make it sure it's unlisted, click next, and then it's just going to say smile for the thumbnail. Okay, so now we can retake the thumbnail if we want. So there we have our thumbnail, or we can, silly face right there, or we can upload a custom thumbnail. And this is cool because you can see if viewers are waiting, if viewers are on the link. So you can like click share, for example, and you can share this link to your audience. If you're ready to go live, you just click go live. It's going to start going live actually. So here you can see I'm actually going live with my camera here, which is the Canon C100 plugged in. I got my Heil PR40 microphone. This is what I look like behind the scenes of recording this course. And then any chats are going to show up here, and you could respond to chats as well. And so I don't see anything right now because I'm not actually live streaming and people can't see this. You can choose the way that you view your chat. So if you want just the top chat, which it shows the best messages and it doesn't block spam or anything like that, or live chat, which shows everything. When you're ready to be done with the live stream, I'm going to click end stream here. Click end stream and click end. And that ends the actual live stream. Cool. So this is going to be saved to our YouTube library as a video now that we can share later. We can even download it from YouTube using the video tab. So here we see that it takes us to our events tab, which shows us our past live streams. So from here, we can edit it. We could go to the video itself, share it. So if I click on this, I'm actually going live with my camera here. There you can see that that's the live stream that we created with that method. Cool, so that's a super easy way to go live stream now. It's probably the easiest. And in the next lessons, we're going to go over some more advanced ways so that you can not only go live with your video webcam, but also showing your desktop and things like that.